I only see two benefits for renting versus buying a house. Number one, if you have a job that requires you to travel a lot and you're probably gonna move locations every year or two or three, and then you don't know if this is gonna be the area that you're gonna live in for a really long time, then yes, maybe renting is a good option for you. The other option is simply just that you don't like money or you don't know how money works. Because if you really do, you will end up buying a house. You will end up buying multiple houses. The main reason for that is you're gonna end up gaining equity over time and your monthly payments are gonna stay flat. They'll never increase, but they will actually maybe decrease if you refinance. But with renting, that will never happen. Your monthly rent will probably increase every year once you're in your lease, and there will be times where the landlord may just say, hey, we gotta sell the house, you gotta leave. There's no security really in staying at a rental property either. But this is kind of my thought on renting altogether. There's only one reason that it makes sense, is that if you need more flexibility because you're gonna be hopping around from different cities for a really long time, and then this might be the reason why you would rent versus own.